Hi, I'm Kevin from JetPress. Thanks for taking the time to join us for this tutorial on Teconnex Clamps. As you probably already know, Teconnex are a highly respected manufacturer of clamps and joining solutions across a multitude of industries, including automotive, marine, filtration, food and pharmaceutical. Today we're going to take a look at the V clamps and their various applications. In simple terms, the V clamp is a low-cost, fast assembly alternative to bolting when joining two flanges within a pipework system. In terms of construction, each clamp has an outer strap with a series of segments welded within. A closure mechanism facilitates tightening of the clamp around the flanges. We can offer an infinite range of variables for this type of clamp. So Steve's going to demonstrate some of the various types of clamps for us now. Here we have the popular T13 V Clamp. As you can see, it has a T-bolt closure mechanism and three segments welded onto the outer strap. This allows the clamp to be easily flexed and opened and closed when fitted onto a flange assembly. The fewer number of segments a clamp has, typically the stiffer the clamp will be. So here we have a clamp with just one complete ring. Lower cost than the T13, it's much stiffer in construction and doesn't flex like a three-segment version. This would typically be used for a single fit application when regular removal isn't necessary. This particular clamp has the T-bolt closure, which is the most common style. It's widely used in exhaust and turbocharger applications where gas temperatures will typically reach up to 600 degrees. Industries include automotive, marine, power generation, rail, aerospace and defence. We're now going to move on to the Q13. This particular clamp is ideal for applications where you may require regular adjustment and removal of the clamp for servicing, cleaning or maintenance. Simply releasing the nut and coupler allows the clamp to be quickly removed and refitted. The lever style clamp is similar to the quick coupler and is widely used on test rigs, in the food industry and in any sector where the clamp is to be used regularly and removed and replaced. The key benefit to the Q and L series clamps is there is no need to completely remove the nut when fitted to release the clamp, which ultimately reduces installation and refitting time. They are available in diameters from 50mm to 2.5 metres in various grades of stainless steel, aluminium, Inconel and titanium. There are over 200 different flange retainer profiles available and over 50 different closure types. They feature easy installation and removal, which is ideal for applications where piping systems need to be regularly stripped down. They allow pipes to be rotated prior to installation, and they offer a low-cost, lightweight and space-saving solution when compared to bolted flange solutions, which are ideal for installations with access limitations. From V-band clamps to slip joint assemblies, there's a broad range of Teconnex products available for selection. JetPress can supply high volume orders, but we're also able to support bespoke enquiries irrespective of quantity. You'll find the full Teconnex range at jetpress.com.